BitPay Wallet Review. What is BitPay Wallet? BitPay Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, manage, and spend cryptocurrencies with a strong focus on usability for everyday transactions. It is designed to integrate seamlessly with the BitPay payment system. But what is it for? BitPay is for secure crypto storage. It safeguards cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Next, it is for spending crypto. It enables payments for goods and services at merchants supporting BitPay. And last is, it is for buying gift cards. It allows purchasing gift cards with crypto for popular brands. Since we tackle about what it is and what is it for, let's move on what is the pros and cons of the BitPay wallet. I will just use 3 for each side, which is the pros and cons, but without further chit-chat, let's talk about the pros. The first for the pros side is user-friendly. A simple interface suitable for beginners and experienced users. Second is integration with BitPay card. Users can load funds onto the BitPay card for easy spending. And last is cross-platform access. It is also available on mobile, desktop, and web, ensuring flexibility. Since we are done on pros, here are the cons. Number 1 is limited cryptocurrency support. It supports fewer coins compared to competitors. Second is transaction fees. Users might face higher fees for certain blockchain transactions, and last is no advanced features. It lacks functionalities like staking or integration with DeFi platforms. And for the key features, here's some 3 key features that I included. Number 1 is built-in payment gateway. It facilitates payments directly to merchants that accept crypto. Second is support for gift cards. It enables users to buy gift cards with cryptocurrencies. And last is multi-SIG wallets. It offers optional multi-signature wallets for enhanced security. And that's it for today's video. Hope you learned something new with me today, but that's it. Thank you.